Welcome to our December Assembly and a happy 2021 to all. Our theme in December was creative artistic individuals. So we want to say thank you to all of our students, our teachers and our parents for the great submissions and materials that were shared leading us into the December break. Also, thank you very much for all the artistic work that was done and shared during that time. In today's assembly, we will have Miss Eve performing the Talent Song with our elementary students. Miss Michelle will be presenting the awards, and Mr. Tong will be sharing the birthdays. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazing January.
Welcome to our first assembly of the new year, and Happy New Year, everyone. This assembly, we are celebrating our Creative Artistic Individual Awards from the month of December. Being a creative artistic individual means thinking outside of the box and expressing yourself through art, design, and storytelling. This month, our award winners for lower elementary include Shui Yi from Pre-KG, James and Ariana from KG, Juju, Tutik, and Chan Kine from grade 1, and Lee Yeti and Juliana from grade 2. Congrats to our lower elementary winners. For upper elementary, we have Erica, Emyet, Sarah, and Yemyet in grade 3, Lynn and Pao in grade 4, and Deepika and Eskil in grade 5. For our specials classes, Mo Pyotcho in grade 2 and Lillian in grade 4 are our Myanmar Studies winners. In art, we have Mirko in grade 1 and Anaya in grade 3. For PE, we have Shiloh in grade 1 and Sarin grade 3. Music, our winners are Juliana in grade 3 and Harrison in grade 3. ICT winners include Daniel grade 3, Lynn grade 4, and Noah in grade 5. Congratulations to all of our winners.
So, birthdays for December. In KG, the birthday person is Ren. And grade 1 is Juju. And grade 2, Juliana and Robin. Nobody in grade 3, sorry grade 3. And grade 4 is Pao. And finally, grade 5, Mantra. So congratulations to all of you and happy birthday. Have a wonderful rest of your day.